Perfectly cooked steak edge to edge. Tender chicken that never dries out. Restaurant quality results without the guesswork. That's the power of sous vide cooking, and today's immersion circulators make it easier than ever to master this precision technique at home. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast ready to level up or someone who just wants consistently delicious meals, we've tested the best sous vide cookers to find which ones deliver professional results without the professional price tag. From compact budget picks to powerhouse commercial-grade units, we're breaking down the top options on the market right now. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Breville HydroPro Sous Vide. This is where professional-grade engineering meets home kitchen ambition. Born from a collaboration between Polyscience, perfecting precision heating for over 50 years, and Breville, this circulator brings restaurant-level power to serious home cooks. The 1,450-watt heating system and 3-speed circulation pump handle everything from intimate dinners to crowd-sized batches up to 45 liters. You'll notice rock-solid temperature stability that locks your water bath exactly where you set it, whether cooking delicate fish or tackling multi-day short ribs. The built-in sous vide toolbox is what separates this unit from the competition. It calculates precise cooking parameters based on whether ingredients are fresh or frozen, thickness, texture, and your preferred doneness. The smartphone-like control panel offers intuitive navigation, cleaning is straightforward, and the adjustable clamp fits virtually any container. The trade-off? No app connectivity. This is hands-on control only. For home cooks ready to invest in commercial-level consistency, this powerhouse delivers professional results every time. Number 5. Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide. This sleek powerhouse proves that great things come in small packages. Standing just a foot tall and weighing only 1.5 pounds, it slips into any kitchen drawer, yet delivers 1,100 watts capable of maintaining over 10 gallons of water at precise temperatures. It works with containers as small as 1.5 inches of water or as large as a stock pot. The clever dual anchoring system offers a magnetic foot that stands upright in steel or iron cookware, plus a traditional clip for any other container. But the real game changer is Turbo Mode, a smart algorithm that briefly raises water temperature to get food to perfect doneness significantly faster. For smaller cuts like steaks or chops, you're looking at roughly half the usual cooking time. The app experience is exceptional, loaded with guided recipes and custom programs via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can monitor everything remotely, giving you freedom to multitask. The catch? Zero onboard controls. You absolutely need the app to operate it. For tech-savvy cooks who value speed and smart features, this is precision cooking reimagined. Number 4. Instant Pot AccuSlim Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. From the brand that revolutionized pressure cooking comes a compact, budget-friendly entry into precision water bath cooking. This ultra-slim circulator is designed with simplicity in mind. If you already own an Instant Pot, it clips perfectly to your existing insert, though it works equally well with any heat-resistant pot or container. At one of the most accessible price points on the market, it brings sous vide within reach for curious home cooks. The 800-watt heating element takes a relaxed approach to reaching target temperatures, so patience is key during initial heat up. But once locked in, temperature stability is remarkably accurate, holding steady throughout extended sessions. The straightforward interface is easy to read and navigate, with zero learning curve. The compact footprint makes storage effortless. You won't find Wi-Fi connectivity or app-based recipes. This is manual, hands-on cooking. Just use a generously sized container for longer cooks to prevent evaporation. For budget-conscious cooks prioritizing accuracy over speed, this delivers reliable results without breaking the bank. Number 3. Anova Culinary Precision Cooker Nano. Think of this as the smart entry point into precision cooking. Smaller, more affordable, yet still carrying the DNA of its flagship sibling. This compact circulator proves you don't need premium pricing to achieve consistent restaurant-quality results at home. With 750 watts of power, it takes a methodical approach to heating, but maintains rock-solid temperature stability once dialed in. You'll appreciate how evenly it cooks everything from delicate fish to hearty pork tenderloin, delivering edge-to-edge consistency that's hard to achieve with traditional methods. Dual control options give you flexibility. Connect via Bluetooth to the intuitive Anova app for guided recipes within about 30 feet, or use the straightforward onboard controls when your phone isn't handy. The sleek, compact design makes storage effortless, and cleaning is simple. Without Wi-Fi, you can't monitor remotely beyond Bluetooth range. But for beginners exploring sous vide or experienced cooks wanting a reliable backup unit, this delivers precision without pretense at a price that makes sense. Number 2. Anova Culinary Precision Cooker Mini. This is precision cooking engineered for space-conscious kitchens. As the most compact model in the lineup, it slips into kitchen drawers, tucks into cabinet corners, or stores inside a stock pot. Perfect for those refusing to sacrifice counter space. Don't let the size fool you. This circulator packs serious capability into its streamlined form. Powered by 850 watts, it delivers accurate temperature control and maintains steady circulation throughout your vessel, whether using a dedicated container, Dutch oven, or stock pots. The fixed clamp sits at an optimal height for most containers, offering secure attachment without adjustment complexity. The fully app-controlled design eliminates onboard buttons. You manage everything via Bluetooth through the intuitive free app, making monitoring from across the room effortless. For deeper features like Wi-Fi connectivity, over 1,000 guided recipes, and advanced programs, a subscription unlocks the full ecosystem. For minimalist cooks who value compact storage and smartphone integration, this delivers reliable precision in the smallest footprint available. Number 1. Anova Culinary Precision Cooker 3.0. This is the complete package for serious home cooks who want professional precision without complexity. With a large, crystal-clear onboard display and intuitive controls, you can set it and walk away. No phone required. It's designed for those who appreciate going fully manual or diving into smart features when needed. The 1,100-watt powerhouse delivers fast heating while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, a welcome relief in busy kitchens. Temperature accuracy is exceptional, holding rock-solid stability throughout even the longest sessions, with alerts if water levels drop or temperatures shift. The adjustable clamp adapts seamlessly to various vessels, from Dutch ovens to dedicated containers, giving you maximum flexibility. Wi-Fi connectivity opens up the optional app, loaded with recipes and guided programs that make sous vide approachable for beginners, while offering depth for experienced cooks. The trade-off for that generous display is a larger footprint compared to app-only models. But for cooks who value standalone functionality without phone dependency, this delivers precision, power, and versatility in one well-engineered package. So there you have it. 6 exceptional sous vide cookers that bring precision cooking into your kitchen. If this video helped you choose the right immersion circulator, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth kitchen tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to perfectly cooked meals ahead.